Chance of rain 60%. Friday night.
Yeah, that's weird.
Mostly cloudy with scattered showers and
It's not even that bad anyways.
lows in the mid-60s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. For Saturday, rain.
Where's you at now?
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 91, effective until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Friday. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Delaware, Hamilton, Hancock, Hendricks, Johnson, Madison, Marion, Morgan, and Tippin. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. And now a look at your forecast for Indianapolis and central Indiana.
Indianapolis right now.
Tonight, mostly cloudy with scattered showers. Scattered thunderstorms through the late overnight.